Police departments across the country are no longer making minor car accidents a priority, leaving drivers and passengers waiting for someone to take a report of what happened. A new smartphone app will help drivers do that themselves. Our consumer technology reporter Jamie Tucker explains.
If you've ever been in a car accident, even a minor one, you know how important that police report is. But what if you can't get it right away? What information should you gather? Well, this brand new app called Crash Companion can walk you through every step to make sure you have what you need. Each page of the Crash Companion app walks you step by step through the process, getting information from the other driver, statements from witnesses, photos, and your narrative. If a witness is willing to provide a statement, they'll just scan a QR code and complete their narrative on their phone. All of the information that would normally go into a police report. You can take photos of the vehicles involved and of the scene, all in the app. You can then enter your own narrative of what happened and, if you grant permission, your exact location. That's a free app, so how does it make money? And what happens to your accident information? Crash Companion says it doesn't share the information with anyone, and the information stays on your device unless you choose to share it. It earns revenue by selling ads to law firms that handle auto accidents, but it does not send that information to those advertisers without your permission. I know you're thinking, why not just use your insurance company app? Well, if the damage is minimal, you may not want the insurance company to even know about the accident and choose to pay for the repairs out of your own pocket. That's where this app can be such a big help. It is available in the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. I'm Jamie Tucker, and Crash Companion is the app of the day.
Well, the folks behind Crash Companion app say it could be very helpful to teenage and elderly drivers.